Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with chicken breast. First, prepare your chicken by pounding it to an even thickness, about 3/4 of an inch, ensuring it cooks uniformly. Next, season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Patting the chicken dry with paper towels is a crucial step for achieving a beautiful golden brown sear and a delicious, crispy exterior. There are several fantastic ways to cook chicken breast. For a quick meal, pan-searing over medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes per side creates a lovely crust. Alternatively, baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes yields tender results. Grilling for 6 to 8 minutes per side also adds a wonderful smoky flavor and appealing char marks. Achieving perfect doneness is key to delicious chicken. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. After cooking, let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and tender result. Overcooking is the main culprit for dry chicken, so be mindful of your cooking times. Cooked chicken breast is incredibly versatile for many meals. Shred it for delicious salads, sandwiches, or tacos. Dice it into 1-inch pieces for quick stir-fries, hearty soups, or easy weeknight casseroles. For storage, keep any leftover cooked chicken in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, making meal prep simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.